Hello, welcome back to Limon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. In this episode, we are preparing or making Ghanaian Tooloo beef. So this is our cow meat. This is the Tooloo. This is the beef. This is our Tooloo beef. This is our salt, cloves, negro pepper, and bay leaves. All these seasoned are to prevent the beef from going bad. So this is our salt. You pour in some salt, then spread the salt on the beef. So we are going to spread all the salt on the beef. Make sure it enters it well, but do not overuse the salt. If not, your beef is going to be salty. So just a little salt is okay. So you keep spreading the salt on the beef like this. So after spreading the salt all over the beef, you have to store it in a container that is airtight. Bowl or airtight rubber is also okay. In a polythene, you can also store it in a polythene, but make sure it is airtight. So we sprinkle little salt in the bowl. So you arrange all our beef, then you add our spice. The spices are cloves, negro pepper, and bay leaf. This prevents it from smelling bad. Yes, this ingredient prevents the beef from smelling bad. So you will cover it for 2 days. So after adding this, we will still sprinkle a little salt on it and cover it for 2 days. So this is my beef after extra 2 days. So I'm going to give it a very beautiful appearance by adding a food color to it, and I'm going to use color red. So I have to add little color into the water, then give it a stir and leave it for about 1 hour. Then my beef will be ready.